Alright, LP Long, what's up? Okay. Yay, okay. That's good. That is awesome. Um, and what's up? James Fife fan. So how this works, as I was doing before, um, is you can give me ideas in ways that chat can affect my game, and I will code them in. So it might be a bit of a slower stream, but hopefully it'll be, I mean, interesting for anyone who's interested in code. Because I've got my code up at the top there, which I don't usually have. And I guess I'm also just going to try and finish the game. So for today, the rules can be anything, like just as crazy as you want them to be. Um, yeah, I figured that. So you just I read the chat, and you just say, like, for example, if you wanted to say, um oh, every time someone says hi, it spawns in a, like, cat or something. Yo, Digby January, what's up? um so the idea is you tell me the rules that you want me to add in. Sorry if I'm not being clear enough. um what's up, official project? Digby, I made a I messed up my code. You should be able to add a mob with effects. Okay, I'll try and do that. So, um, a pig with speed. Let me see. So if I don't have a list of all the mobs, so I'll specifically do, you can do a pig with speed for now. Um, what should you say to spawn it in? I'm not actually sure how to use the mannequin spawns yet, Digby, because that would be an interesting one to do and probably quite easy now. Spawn in a speed pig. You can't spawn in rhinos. I'm not trying to live program mods. Oh, so literally just pig with speed. Okay. Uh, so if the uh, message dot, I'm not gonna do it case sensitive. Um, Pig with speed. Then I want to do send command. I'll just make sure execute execute uh, everyone, um run run pig, and then send x execute as everyone run. So how would I do this? I would need to get it to, hi James, what's up? And hi crack Java cracked. um um that e type. So I want to do it at everything where a type is pig. I hope that works. Run effect give at s speed 2 for 10 seconds. We'll try that. And there's like 0 chance this works, but hope the idea is also I get better at doing this as the time goes on. And oh my goodness, it's already night time. So if you say pig with speed now, theoretically, you should get a pig with speed being spawned in, but more likely the code will break. And I guess we'll have to see which one of those actually happens. Okay, neither. Let me stop being killed by this. Oh, never mind. Okay. I think I may have overestimated my programming ability for this, to be honest. Let me try. Hi, Makaiser. What's up? Okay, let's try this again. If you say pig with speed, it needs to be all lowercase though. If you say house, it makes a house. Okay, I can try that as well. Yo, what's up, the real coconut? For some reason, when I tab out of this, it doesn't actually. Okay, I might try this. Video settings. I need it to be not full screen. Where's that? Oh yeah, I'm doing well, thanks. Full screen off. Is this gonna stop recognizing it? Yep, of course it is. So now I want this one to capture Minecraft. Okay, and also actually exist. Okay, there we go. It's a bit smaller now. What am I doing? So the idea is I'm programming people's ideas in live. Oh my goodness, why are there so many zombies? How did so many zombies just spawn in? So far we've had, if someone says pig with speed in lowercase, it should spawn in a pig with speed. Which doesn't seem to be working. I mean, it might work. No one said it recently. I might try saying it. Pig with speed. Okay, so it didn't seem to summon a pig, but it applied a speed effect to lots of pigs. Oh. There we go, and we'll try this again. Yeah, I know that, I forgot the at in the code. I forgot the at. It's execute at P. I think at P should still work when it's only me in the world. And I hate this zombie horde. So it should work now, hopefully. The idea is that this should all build up Yay, there we go. It doesn't give it to it for very... It doesn't give it to it for very long. Should I make both these numbers higher? Which way round is it? Is it amplifier and then time, or is it time and amplifier? Effect, give, not sure why I did that. Speed, infinite. Okay. No, that's the other way around. Speed, infinite, 10. That'll do. Digby, I will do your house idea next when this is working. Okay, this is going kind of better now. Pig with speed, it should work now. And this nighttime has lasted a while. What happened to the stream? There you go, it does have speed. I need to... There we go. Going crazy. Hey cats. Oh, the stream, it was, part of it wasn't working. So I had to, oh my goodness, leave me alone. I get that these zombie hordes have got more common in the latest update, but this is pretty extreme. Should we do, somewhere, if I can get my files open, I do actually have a list of all the mobs, so I might use that. I'm gonna get it if it's just sand. Wait. Yeah, so it should be message dot lower. So now it doesn't matter if it's not case sensitive anymore for the pig one. And TNT spawns. How do you want me to do how do you want me to add TNT spawning in? TNT spawns every 40 seconds. Okay. XQI run summon TNT. Okay, and then I want to command. I want to sleep for 40 seconds. That's a good one because it doesn't like instantly, but it's gonna not absolutely destroy it. And cats spawn every 40 seconds. Okay. I could probably do with threading for this actually, but I've forgot exactly how to do that. Timer. So hopefully that should every 40 seconds spawn execute. Can't be making these typos. I usually have like some typo correction thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, they've got the spawning TNT in with commands is like super bugged at the moment. All these pigs have super high speed. That was quite a funny one. You know, the TNT for the last few versions, it just spawns and explodes instantly. There's not really much you can do about it. That's why I that's why I was doing my old thing in an older version. Oh, no, it doesn't, I guess. That's weird, it did the first time. I haven't changed anything. Rains cats. Okay, so that would be new file cats. So I'm just gonna copy this TNT one in. And then rains cats. Every second a cat falls from the sky. That's gonna get pretty fast. Okay, what's the hard challenge? Techno. No, oh goodness. Hi. Okay. So, hopefully, if this works. I hope I haven't done them too high, actually. Cats, stop high. Okay. No, I haven't done them too high. There we go, it's raining cats. I mean, I could actually also do, import random, I keep forgetting the TNT spawns every 40 seconds. That's going to be really annoying if, while I'm coding, random. So if I do, this, then it should be a bit more like random rain instead of always just spawning on top of me. Minus, because it's going to spawn somewhere randomly between. So if I change the cats one, okay, there we go, that's good. Every 1 minute, whoa, that was loads of cats spawning at once. Okay, there we go. that TNT got quite a lot of cats there. Considering I think each cat drops one string, that was 29 cats that TNT got. That was quite funny. Okay, so we've got the raining cats. We've got the every minute tick rate changes randomly. Okay, I'll add that to this one then. What's the thing for changing tick rate? It's just tick speed, tick rate 24. Okay, so I'll do it between double speed and half speed. So I'll do it between 40 and 10. No, get me away from this. Okay. I'm gonna start trying not to die. Tick rate. All these cats are gonna spawn the second I respawn. Look, they're all spawning there. Oh, not random tick speed isn't how fast Croc goes. What do you mean by tick speed then? Oh, it gives me speed. Yeah, the tick rate changes randomly. Isn't that random between 10 and 40? This should change everything, I think. Set speed. Save. This is on the timer one. Oh, come on. That's so annoying because it keeps almost restart that and restart that. Okay. So I'll make it actually say what how do I do titles? It's title for some reason when I do the @ sign it at a Those cats are so loud. Is it this? No. Title, is it just hi? Like that? No. I have no idea how to do titles, actually. Does anyone know how to do titles? Slash... Yeah, the tick rate 40, the game runs at double speed, but, oh, it's not set, is it? That one is also in timer. Okay. There you go. That's the tick rate's at 30 now. So it changes it between anywhere between double speed and half speed. Because I think I'll do it quarter speed and 4 times speed actually. Yeah, I have no chance of getting away from TNT anymore. This is 76. Let me play. Okay, so I'm trying to finish the game like this now, I guess. Oh, Grayson, what's up? Hi, it's been a while. So how this one works, Grayson, yeah, it's every 40 seconds just so I could not need to run too many scripts at once and lump it in with the TNT. So every time a TNT spawns, the tick rate changes, basically. Oh no, it's getting dark as well. I'm gonna get just attacked by loads of zombies. I've got 64 now, so it's a bit slower. Wait. I'm gonna add this quickly. So is it just its title at S? Title I. There we go. Okay. So, and then send command. Just so you can see what the new tick speed is. Title at P type at A title tick speed. So hopefully new tick speed, and it should say the new title, hopefully. But again, there's like with everything, there's like a 50-50 chance it actually works. So it's going quite a lot above and not much below. I guess that does make sense. But I can't be bothered trying to work out how to get it to actually... There's so many cards. I can't bother trying to get it to work out how to actually do it. Right, okay, so... I'm having keep inventory off today. Just because, why... Keep inventory on or off, guys. What do you think? I would at least like to get some stone tools today. It's quite... Just having higher tick speed makes this quite hard anyway. 77. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, so I need to do it like this then. Because it's a nuisance about its quotation marks. I always forget which way around to, because you can do like apostrophes or quotation marks as quotation marks, and some different languages don't like some different quotation mark types. Okay, so hopefully this should work now. That would be super nice if it would. keep inventory isn't cheating. Okay, yeah. Game rule, keep inventory, true. I feel like having loads of cats spawning from the sky is kind of cheating. New tick speed. Okay, hopefully. Yay! Okay, there we go. So now you can see what the tick speed is every time it changes. Which should, I'm not sure what effect that has. Digby had a fun idea which was spawn a house every time someone said house. I'll play for a bit though, and I'll see what my favorite idea is. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna implement this idea and then do it. So, 0, and then I'll do 8. I'm not sure why that did that. So if checks is 8, so every 5 minutes roughly, the title will say that I need to add a new idea, and then when that happens, I'll add my favorite idea from the previous 5 minutes. I think that's probably that's the best one I can come up with for now. So then I have a nice equal amount of time playing the game and also adding your guys' ideas. Raining cats. We've already got cats raining. I think that's a pretty oh my goodness. It's funny it's suddenly getting faster. What's dumb is that when it gets a lot faster, I'll get all these rules to carry over between streams actually, for now at least. So everything that I add will be a thing for the next streams. Next time I'm gonna add like a list of all mods. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add a list of like all the mobs as well. So we can do more with mobs. So Grayson, you add ideas for you say ideas for new thing. Wow, okay. Say ideas for new things that happen in the game. They can either be based on what chat. You can either be based on what chat said or as a timer. Oh, raining dogs. That would be funny. If there's not another no one has another idea, I'll do that one. So then every 5 minutes, I had the best idea from the previous 5 minutes. So far we've got cats raining, TNT every minute, tick speed changing every minute, and also if you say pig with speed, it spawns a pig with speed, surprisingly. That was the first one added for some reason. How done is this portal? Not very done. Okay, let's see. No problem, Grayson. So you know what? I'm gonna get yeah, look, pig with speed. They're quite funny. The random tick speed is between it changes randomly between 5 and 80. But because I should probably work out a better way to do that. Random item every 50 seconds, that's good. I can add the dogs in quite easily. Effect give s. Why does it keep doing that when I press at? Night vision, infinite, one, true. Okay. 75. These cats these cat sounds are quite annoying, to be honest. Oh, I forgot, if I go underwater for like almost any time at all, my bubbles go down so quickly. Okay, let's see, what other ideas do we have? Random item every 50 seconds. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get ChatGPT to generate a list of all Minecraft mobs and a set of 50 Minecraft items and a separate. The ChatGPT is just so I can easily get hey Digby, welcome back. Easily get all the wait, why do I have, is it slower than normal? 17, okay, that's normal. You had to go and you got some awful news. Oh no, what's the awful news? I don't use ChatGPT in school, no. It's just a much using ChatGPT for something like that. It's just a much faster way than needing to like go to a website and then manually copy paste all the mobs, which is what I did last time. Oh no, your sister's moving out. You said wait, did it say it's time for, yeah, okay, that's saying it's time for a new idea. That's quite a short so it rains dogs as well as cats, and also gives me a random item. For now, I'll just do the raining dogs, because that's gonna be. I'm gonna wait for the Python lists, the list of things to come through. So run a summon dog. Oh, it's wolf, isn't it? They're not going to be tamed because to tame them you need to do a bunch of random stuff. Okay, so hopefully now it will be raining cats and dogs. Oh, and TNT. There we go. Nope. That would be too nice of it to work first try. And then no wolves spawning. Let me do. Hopefully this works, because they were doing them right after each other, but no, that's too fast to be near zombies. The thing with tick speed, okay, that's not as bad. So it still works with cat. Is it wolf? Summon wolf. That's so odd. Huh. Have I made a random typo in here? I always forget that when the title comes up, it's a warning about tick speed as well. Let me copy these lists into Python quickly. I'll do it in this one. So there's the mobs. Here's the items. Here's the effects. Okay, actually I'm gonna do it in a different one. New stuff. Stop. Get me out! Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna keep respawning because otherwise it's gonna just do too extreme. It's gonna spawn too many at the same time. Okay. So, I'm just relying that that's worked. Did you do the house? I did not do the house yet, Digby. I've been trying to get some other stuff to work. What country am I from? I am from the UK. I'm just gonna try resaving this and this, and then just running it again, I think. And that wasn't even the one I needed to do. Okay. There we go. I didn't save it properly. Oh no, the wolves are spawning too high, they're taking damage. 5. Don't worry, it hasn't affected how high the cats spawn from, or how often the cats spawn. And also in this one, I'll do give send command give it will give me an item after I've added this bit. Give p from stuff. Oh my goodness. So it should so item equals choice Minecraft items. So that should item so after this I'll play for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna try and get some iron after this as well. Okay, so that gave me nothing, possibly. There are so many mobs spawning in the sky. And the tick speed being higher as well. We've got my cat kill counter as from all the TNT spawning. Unfortunately wolves don't drop anything, so I can't keep track of that. But the cats, pig with speed. I can't even see the pigs with speed anymore, with the high tick speed as well. Ooh, okay. That's interesting. No! They're gonna get killed in slow motion. Did I get given an item then? No, I don't think that worked. Okay, let's go. 12, that's a slightly better one. After the next one, I'm gonna reset it. So, actually, I'm gonna just reset it now. So, hopefully, we can get our items giving to work. Am I doing it right? Give S. Oh, replace. So I need to replace the spaces in the list with underscores. Okay, here we go again. 6. Furnace. That still hasn't worked. Does it work with capital letters? Okay. Minecraft. Colon item dot lower. Okay, this should definitely work now. But I thought it should definitely work like 3 or 4 other times. Yay! Okay, it did work. I've got some tinted glass, and it's dark, so I'm gonna give myself night vision. Okay, here we're going. We're doing good again. Back to it. So yeah, it does now give me a random item every 40 seconds. Because I think 40 seconds is, apart from the raining, 40 seconds is the good amount of time to wait. Pig with speed, okay. So what idea am I doing next? What am I adding in the next one? Got a blast furnace. This is going to fill my inventory so quickly. Let me do this quickly. Okay. So, what next? Iron. Time to get some iron. A random amount of the item. Yeah, okay. I'll do that next time I stop to do some code, otherwise I'm never gonna get to actually do any of the game. Well, I got golden apple that time, that's good. What's... Oh, they're all dying in the ceiling, that's quite... Oh my goodness. No! That's so sad. Kind of. I'll go down a bit so they can hopefully survive a bit more. There's some of them. Friendly mob noises off. That's a good idea. I'll make it quieter. Yeah, there we go. 14, where did that TNT... Oh, that TNT's gonna blow up the roof. Ooh, I can get some cobblestone from this. Never mind. That was an odd sound. Something just made a sound on my PC. I have no idea what it was. Let's see how these random items adding up. What's making that sound? It's went didn't. It's like it's had something disconnecting from it. I don't think it has though. Let me shut this so you can see the code again. Okay, that did not work for getting iron, but I'll try somewhere else. A stream, yeah, Dub. Hi. You're getting a stream. This one's different. And you can spawn in. Oh no, you can't spawn in. You can choose what idea I add to the code, and then every 5 minutes I add that idea. So at the moment we've got every 40 seconds it changes tick speed. It's raining cats and dogs. If you say pig with speed, it spawns a pig with speed in. And it also spawns TNT. I think that's every... Oh, and it gives me a random item every few minutes. Every minute. But that's gonna it's gonna be a random amount of a random item next time. Every minute a skeleton horseman spawns. Okay. Let me just quickly update this. Okay, because I had a limited amount of items, but now I've got all the items. And they do kill each other anyway most of the time. What? Okay. Yo, hi Paul, what's up? Digby wanted me to add spawning in a house as well, so I like them. I like that. Yeah, you can see. So basically, the idea is I'm gonna keep these between the streams mostly, and then it's just gonna get crazier and crazier as the stream goes on. I thought some good ones would be like, I don't know, every time someone says a specific word, I can turn it off completely. Wait, that's the wrong thing. Music and sounds, friendly mobs off completely. There we go. Now you can know they're dying, but you can't hear them. I'm surprised this isn't lagging yet, to be honest. This is a lot of mobs spawning in. Oh my goodness. Every time someone says bean, I get beans. Okay, that's a good one. So far, when I next make changes to the code, I'll get some resin every time someone says beans. Or is it bean? I forgot I forgot the command to spawn in a skeleton army, to be honest. I might need to go back to my older code and try and find that really quickly. I remember it was a nuisance, though. Where is that? But final mob. Here's some of my old code. Execute at run skeleton. Okay, here we go. I will start changing my code now again. So we're gonna get a skeleton horseman every so often. Where's this? This is in what did someone just say? Every time someone says a block, it spawns under me. That's okay, so I'm gonna so I've got the send command execute at I'll do them a bit in the air again. I will add that block one as well. That's a good idea. So we've got more items now. A random random between 1 and 10 items. You have to make a method. Oh, that's a good idea. That's more interesting. Um, that's gonna take a bit longer, so I'll wait till the next round to add that. The skeleton horsemen are gonna get blown up by the TNT, so I'll add sleep 20. There you go. So they spawn alternating 20 seconds with the TNT. Like that. And we get a random amount of the item. So the next one you want, if you say the letters of a type of block uninterrupted, so how would I do that? I'd do that if the length of the message is 1, and does it have to be the same person? No, okay. So it has to be uninterrupted and every message in a row. So if I do saving the last 5 messages at last, what's the longest block name? Oh, they're quite long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do a cache of 50 letters. Where's this? Let me paste this in here. 15 tick speed. Okay. I'll do a cache of 50 yeah, 50 characters. And then if 41 characters, okay, thanks. If all those characters joined together creates a word, one of the Minecraft blocks, it spawns that block under me. But if someone, yeah. If someone says, oh my goodness, being fast is so painful. Oh wow, I got a totem from the random items. It's just like all possible items, in the random items. That was a good idea. There are so many cats and dogs everywhere. We're waiting for the, oh, there we go. So we're waiting for the skeleton horsemen to spawn. This at such a high tick speed is painful. Okay, we're gonna try and get to a cave. I feel like I would try and do a better... It's a lot less chance of randomly dying than in the past. So I think, hopefully, I should be able to get the... Oh, is there a new Wax Weather Copper Golem statue? Yo, 6 months up. You got your thing upgraded. It's a golden bean now. You're a golden beam. Thank you for staying over that period of time when I just didn't really stream at all. I'm actually really enjoying this, even though it's quieter. Thank you for the few of you who are continuously who are participating in this, because it makes it really fun actually. Yeah, oh, awesome, thanks. Yeah, so I know I've said this a few times, but I'm enjoying this a lot more than I was enjoying the other things. So I will make some shorts about this, and some... Who got those? You know what? I'll match that. Techno, it gives them randomly. Wait, is that another Grayson? Yo, Cats and Chase got them. They've both been here today. I think they've improved the algorithm about who it gives them to. I'll give 5 more in a few days, Techno, or in a few streams. So if you watch a lot of them, because I haven't had that many viewers recently, I think you've got a really high chance of getting them. Do you have two accounts, Grayson, and it gave it to two different accounts? Oh, I got some dragon's breath. Right, throw it on the floor though, and it's gonna get exploded. That was quite sad. There's so many wolves. Oh, it's because they're all attacking. Wait. Do they all attack me? Or is it just one of them? Oh, it's just one of them. I guess they're not in a pack. Oh my goodness, a skeleton horseman. It's easier getting away when there's less of them. Yeah, I know it's Wait, have you watched me much in general tech? No, because if you have, I'll gift the other ones now and hope you get them. Ooh, I would rather not have that blown up, but I think it just did get blown up. That was a netherite chest plate it just gave me. Okay, on the basis that it gives it by who watches most, would you like me to do the other ones now, or wait? Considering it's just random, you can choose. There's so many cats and wolves and cats. Give now, okay, I'll do that. Spawning structures, that'd be quite hard. You got the morning shift. Let's see who gets the memberships. Oh, cool Sheik. Oh, that's unfortunate. Maybe next month, or if anyone else decides to gift. Okay, have fun on your shift as much as possible, Dove. You can come and see this. You can come and see the chaos next time, and there'll still be the skeleton horsemen. You got a membership like a few minutes ago, or probably a few seconds ago. I gifted 10 of them. Yeah, congratulations. Right, so what am I adding for the next code? I might add Digby's idea of someone says house and it builds a house. And that one of the, that one for the blocks as well. Oh my goodness, let me get up here, please. Yeah, I'll do house. It won't be a village house, it's going to be very simple because I'm going to need to do it making fill commands. If I kind of do it like, fill it in a direction and do a 3x3 cube. Yeah, I'll do that next as well with the block spawning one. So if I do the house like a 3x3 cube, and then of oak wood, and then spruce wood on top. What's up, Ray Guy? Yo, it's been a while actually. Say AFK. I think chats do affect it as well. I keep dying, so this night vision isn't. I got a dark oak door. I need to get rid of some of these items. There you go. I did not want to get killed by that. I think I overreacted a bit. Okay. Yeah, Kirsty's been streaming quite a bit. You're gonna go just audio. Keep talking. Tell me to. Okay, I will tell you when something interesting happens as well. We've been good. I've just been very busy with uni coursework and stuff. I've got a bit more to do, but I've done the bulk of it, so I figured I'd have a break and do some streaming. And I'm glad I did, because it's been fun today. My voice is going. Right, okay, let's do that block idea. So underneath me, so let's see, how am I going to do this? Get rid of that, and this is messages. So at the start, I want to message queue is empty. and um, so if the length of the message is 1, wait, I'll try and make this open so it's only, so you can still see the screen. So if length of message is 1, then message queue dot append message, and else the message queue is nothing. So, oh, actually, I don't even need to do that because it just clears instantly when. Okay, that shouldn't be an issue. And then I want if nothing dot join message queue is in where's my list of from stuff import. Wait, did you prefer it with the music off? Because I can keep the music off if you want. Minecraft blocks. So enchanted book. Did I just get a default enchanted book? That's funny. 3x3 around me. That's a good idea. Wait, we need to be more than that. So if it spawned, oh, 3x3 around me, so it would be fill. Yeah, that makes sense. And then I want to go through the message queue. So there needs to be nothing said before. It needs to start. The first letter of it needs to be. So there. So if it spawns it, the message queue is empty. And wait, so I need to, because of the way this is going to work as well, because you're not going to put spaces in between the blocks. Yeah, I'm doing computer science in university. So for Minecraft blocks, block equals dot replace. So I want to replace the underscores with nothing. Replace 2, and then if block 2 equals word. So you want to surround me in a cube of that block. Um, Wait, I'm gonna respawn before it just crashes my PC because so many mobs have spawned. Okay, that's not as bad. But you don't want to show me in a cube with that block. Oh, so under me there'll be a 3x3 with that block. That's a lot easier. If block equals words, then command execute at a run. So what's that? Want it to be squiggly -1, squiggly -1, squiggly -1, squiggly 1, squiggly -4, squiggly 1. And then lock. Hopefully that works. I don't see why it wouldn't. And then so if locks in words it clears it. And then I thought I'd already done this. Okay, so that should be the let me restart that one. And I'm also gonna restart this timer one. Get rid of this print statement because I don't need that in the console anymore. Please let me stop this timer, and the cats one's still fine. Okay, so hopefully, if you say blocks, it should work. I think. But you need to stop. Oh my goodness! I just got on a skeleton horse. Okay, I can already see an issue with that, which is, I need to put the lowercase message in. Which one was that? That was in, show. Dot lower. Okay, you're gonna need to restart the word. But, timer, and then green. Okay, so try it again now, I think. Hopefully it should work. I'm doing well, thanks, Echoing Papa. How are you? I'm enjoying the stream. I need to keep giving myself night vision, though. Okay, so that's everything I'll do for now, and then the next time, because that took a while, the next time I stop, I'll do the house. TNT. Did that not work? So I gave you some yellow banners. Oh, that is not working. Huh. I think I need to... I need to design it as global. I'm not used to using global variables. I usually do object-oriented, but I don't think that's as good here. But hopefully now that should work. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, thanks, right guy. Nope. Um, hmm. Ooh, did I get anything for Christmas? I got something to make my VR more comfy. That was quite good. And I got a gaming chair because I'm gonna need to move back to my parents' house after uni for a bit. And I was sat at my parents' house on a piano stool with no back. I think it was actually causing me back issues, so I had to change that. Um, okay, let me just try this quickly. I'll see if oh my goodness, there's so many wolves here. They're all annoyed at the skeletons. I think it would be fun if they attacked me a bit. But I can't even get out this hole. Oh my goodness. Right. Nope. Never mind. How much string have I got? I haven't even got a stack of string yet. Well, I haven't been collecting the cats. They all just kind of go... Oh, it's 5. Wow. That's the slowest it can go. Ready for a slow motion. Oh, I'm not pressing forward. I don't want to be involved in that. Okay. It feels like my PC is going slowly, but I know it's not. Um, okay, let's try this again. Um, could we try the chat? You can probably do the blocks placement again, I think. Sorry it's taking so long to get this to work. There's just so many random issues that it's so hard to like predict what's going to be wrong with it. Yeah, you can see the code a bit more now. Nope. Still not working. I'm gonna have to make this an object. Wait, this shouldn't take too long. Class, responses. Can so this should hopefully this is another attempt, and I'm gonna need to initialize this in my main. and I want to sort of show, which is process chat. Let's do res stop process chat. Okay, this is also pushing it a bit, whether this is gonna work, because I did that quite quickly. Nope. Because this needs to all be tabbed out one. Save. Try this again. Okay, nice. That's a good start. Let's try again. Do it. Let's go. Do the thing. Okay. Yay, it worked. Nice. It's a 1x4 block, but there you go. Yippee! Okay, that's good. No, not cobweb, not cobweb. What blocks do I want? I don't really. I'm not sure. Iron ore. Let's see. Can we work together and get some iron ore? No one speak. It needs to start with a if it has a random letter before it, it won't work either. By the way. So this isn't going to work because it has two C's. You need to say something before it, and then I could. You know what? I'll stop that being a thing. It's gonna take a second more of coding, but it should be worth it. Let me shut this. No, so close. Cobweeb. Hi Helix, what's up? Oh, 14 tick speed. Oh, slow modes. I didn't even realize slow mode was on. I thought I'd turn that off. Let's see, I need to go to a specific thing to turn slow mode off. I can never find it. Settings, edit, customization, slow mode. Still gonna do slow mode, but just this. Oh, I'll do 1 second. We've got 1 second slow mode now. That should make it easier. I did not realize slow mode was on. You guys aren't doing great at this. While you guys are distracted doing that, I will get it to forward. So I'm gonna try and get it so that it should. So that we I continuous. And then wait, did it not spawn the cobwebs? Because I. Sorry, I was working on my code. Wait, don't start it yet. Don't start it yet. I'm gonna rerun this. Um, try it with. Can you try it with TNT first? Just to. Oh, that's a good point actually. Where's that? That's. Is that a game rule? Uh, game rule. Instant, immediate respawn, of course. True. Okay, there we go. Um, I don't know. I want to break. Okay, don't start it yet. Don't start it yet. Uh. Okay, there we go. Do I have more than one mic right now? No. Why? There's not more than one on. It works. No, I didn't. I hadn't restarted the code yet. Try it again. This is the bit that it might not work. Yeah, it does work. Okay, nice. So you can put any thing before it now, so that you don't need to start with different words. Okay, I'm gonna play the game a bit now though. Try and get some iron. No, what's attacking? Was it? Oh, it's a zombie. Okay. I could do it so that you need to say it like a different person needs to say each letter. That would be fun. And you could all work together. But I'll wait to see if one person can do it. Okay, nice. I haven't. It's not super fast tick speed anymore. That's good. I want to turn night vision on so people can see what's going on. And okay, Cobb. Did it not work? Let me try. Huh. I guess Cobweb isn't in my list of blogs. V C cobblestone. It'll be further on it. Cobblestone stuff. Okay. Sorry. Cobweb. It's hard to do an exhausted list of all blocks. I thought that let me do lava and water too. Okay. It's quite hard to get an exhausted list of all the blocks. Just because for obvious reasons. I can't do it. It can only be responses to chat or things that happen every so often. I know this isn't quite as good. 67. Oh, did someone just manage to do lava successfully, or was that just a coincidence? Someone did lava successfully. This is crazy. Okay. Well done, Tet though. La 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 lava, chicken. There's so many wolves. Wait, I have a good idea. They're all trying to get this skeleton horse. I'm gonna I can't. I wish I could choose who gets memberships, but I can't. That almost got the TNT there. That was lucky that it didn't. Should I do it if you say it 3 times in a row? It spawns 3 times the. Oh. No, 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 no. This is. God, that was the worst time. Okay, I can get out here. If no, the cat. With mob spawning as well. This is like. Spawn lava every second. I do. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this running for a while, and then when I get told to do something to add more code, I'm gonna add the house idea. So let me actually just test what the command for that would be. I'm doing well, thanks, serv07 / fill me -1 here. Can you do activated TNT? No, not easily. I remember seeing your name, server, but not. Oh my goodness, it keeps. I remember really particularly talking to you too much. And then this +1, this +4, me +1. Okay, sure, why not? Hollow. Okay, so that spawns me in a confined area, which was kind of a mistake. Oh, how did that even? Did that spawn below me again? Yeah. I die so fast in lava when it's at like double speed. I need to make the speed more random. Are we just gonna keep saying lava? This is not. I need to make this harder. I think I'm gonna do it so it needs to be different people say each letter. Possibly. So let's see, is this oh that was wrong. I think I need to move everything 1 down. So it'll be -2. Why is that not working? -2. -2. That's so odd. Minus 3. Okay, I'm gonna dig out of this. I wish I had an axe. I might make an axe first, actually. That would be quite useful in this circumstance. I just have so much random stuff from my... Oh, okay, that works as well. Nice. Let me give myself night vision, even though that's not gonna last long. So, -3 to 4 with it being hollow. Why is it not? This should be going like far below me. Oh no, it's -1. Oh my god. It's 1 -1 1 1 1. Okay, there we go. So if you say house, then it'll spawn that around me with oak planks. And then, but also an exit. Maybe a door. No, I haven't added that yet, guys. That's the theoretical plan for the next bit of code I add. Which I will do once I've played this for a bit. Or I could just spawn a door on every side of me. No, that'll be too stupid. What time of day do I normally start streaming? It's been ages since I last streamed, but oh my god, 5. But I'm planning again. I'm enjoying this, and I'll keep these things between streams. No. can't get it. It's flowing faster than I can place blocks. No, 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 no. Oh, that was close. Okay, I don't like this lava pit here. I'm gonna block it off if I can. With all the dogs, with all the wolves falling. Again? Okay, so what I might do is it needs to be, yeah, alternate people saying it. Okay, I'm gonna add that. Okay. When it next tells me to make changes to the code, it's gonna need to be alternate people saying it. That will make it so much more interesting. Because at the moment it's just people trying to get everyone else to be quiet, but now it will need to be organized. Yeah, you were so close. Yeah, no, oh wait, I'll do the house one first. Um, can I get out of here, please? That is just so dumb. No, how did that lava spawn? No one spawn, no one, did someone say lava? Oh, okay. That was nice and easy. I guess I can kill wolves. If I keep it like this, I'm just going to be constantly dying to things underneath me. Does anyone what else does anyone else want me to add? I know that's the idea. You need to work. You need to get organized and work together. This is the kind of thing I was kind of addition I was hoping for, and I was like, oh, you guys get to choose the rules. It's going quite well so far. You do, okay. I will add that now. That should be quite easy with so it's show and then last chapter is no one and then the author is not last. Wait, did someone spawn TNT and then TNT spawned on top of it? Author is not. So, dot. What do you think about having the code at the top of the screen? I thought it just might make it more interesting while I'm doing it. So, if message is 1 and author is not the last chatter, so I'm gonna then set last chatter self dot last chatter equals okay. So after I restart it, everyone will need to speak. You can't have the same person saying letters in a row. So now, if message dot lower equals house, then I'm gonna go back to this command and copy paste it. At the moment, you're not doing anything because I'm trying to fix or trying to implement something new. Send command that, but it's execute at everyone. So, and then run that. Minecraft acacia wood. I'll do oak planks. And then I want to make myself a door as well, because I'm not actually getting stuck in it. So that would be fill. But doors are weird, so I'm just going to make it out of air. -1. -1. -1. 2. -1. Minecraft air. And then send command cobwebs again. Am I just gonna keep getting put down in cobwebs this whole time? Spruce blanks. And that's gonna be -2, -2, 5, -2, -2, 5. And then I'm almost done. I want to make it, it's going to be an actual looking house. Then -1, 6, -1, -1, 6. 1. And last one. Me 7. Squiggly. Sorry, I haven't been looking at chat for a while. 7. Yeah, make the most of it while you still can, because it's getting changed in a second. I'll do that. So hopefully, and I run this now. No, the house doesn't. If you say house, it spawns at house roaming, and I've just restarted it, by the way. So here we go. Spawn mobs by spelling. That's, yeah, I will add that next. Okay, so that almost worked. I need to. I didn't add the door correctly. Okay, I'm gonna need to add the door correctly, otherwise I'm just gonna keep getting blocked in. Just needs to be -1 on one side, and then 4 is too high. So that would be 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, you need to do it alternately now, so you can't, the same person can't keep saying okay, so house should yeah, Donnie, it needs to be the same person can't say 2 of the same letters in a row. So if you want to say lava, one person needs to say lava, and one person needs to say L, and the next person needs to say A, etc., etc. Let me put my music back on as well. I'll turn it down a bit though. So someone else needs to say A now if you want lava to spawn. Has everyone else just left? Oh, rip. Oh, okay. No, kinda. So I need this to be, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay. What do you think of my house, guys? Oh, rip. Oh, I got trapped. Okay, I got this. We might need to have a cooldown on the house. Oh, I'm on a skeleton horse. Look at how cool the house is, though. I'm sorry. I think that's a decent house. I need to. Oh, I just got. Oh, is there anything I can do about this? These cats and wolves are really annoying. I might be able to survive this. No, the cats. No, the wolves. Leave me alone. This is so sad. Okay, I'm gonna get the wolves to attack. Oh, and I'm in a house again. We're getting a fish on Monday. Why am I in a house in... Oh, I'm in an underground house. I thought I died. I guess not. It does look kind of dumb. No. Should I do it somewhere that isn't I'm in it? I need to add a cooldown on that as well. There's being a global cooldown on house. They're quite nice houses though, I think. Globe banner pattern I just got. Yeah, definitely needs to be a cooldown on these houses. I'll wait for the next time I'm changing the code though, because it's going to be a nuisance to get time involved. If I'm in the lava though, you guys just giving up on the I'll do you can spawn one house every minute. I think that's fair. Oh, were you seeing something wrong with the code then? Were you just seeing my media player? Hey, most OP gamer, what's up? No, 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 no. You gave up on spelling. It was happening too often before though. It was too easy, I think. I'll put it back to how it was before if the chat gets busier. Because then it'll be harder for people to do it. But while the chat's also because it's starting to go slow. There were 2,000 entities. Oh, you got a membership, nice. Yeah, we did some membership gifting before. So, congratulations. These houses, okay. Yeah, I'll get rid of that, I'll get rid of the other requirement. You can keep your saying things to one person. And did you just successfully do it? It seems like you successfully did it. There's too many cobwebs and lava. You can do any, or as far as I'm aware, you can do most blocks, I think. Let me fix this house thing. Import time. So let's see. So self dot house time equals so if I start this at 0, then that should work. So is this even the right thing? Yes, it is. And self dot house time. Wait, time dot time minus self dot house time. Is more than or equal to. I'll do it every half minute. And then self dot house time equals time dot time. Okay. Let me reset that. Okay. So you've got you can say I'm gonna change this again. It's not that bad actually. Whoa. So you should be able to check. You can still say house, please, because I'd be sad if you can't. You spelled obsidian. Oh, well, you can spell obsidian again easier because you've got I just reset the code to make the house timer work better. Oh my goodness, did someone spawn lava or did I just die? I need to get some armor. That's probably the best call for now. I should get some armor. So one person can say obsidian. Is there not obsidian in the list of things?
How's it going?
It's going well. Yeah, there is. It should work. It's here. Oh, you can't see it. It's here. Right guy said hi, Kirsty.
Hi.
I'm doing it so people can choose what the rules are.
Yes. Oh.
Have you been watching? And not participate. Oh no, not 6 tick speed with anything with 6 tick speed's bad.
Why? What's wrong with 6 tick speed?
Pardon?
What's wrong with 6 tick speed?
It's so slow and people keep trying to put cobwebs underneath me. No, guys, you can say that one person can say all of it again now. Even though it is cool that you managed to get it so that you could say it separately. There you go. That works again. Well done. You actually did really well at that. That was impressive. You really got your act together there. Okay, I'm gonna try and get in a cave. Need to cull these cats and wolves a bit. No, that's not gonna work, right, guys? Someone distracted. Someone said something before you said cobweb.
How long are you streaming for?
Oh no, I might go another half hour. Oh, that TNT. I swear the TNTs have started blowing up quicker again. I cannot find a cave. Guys, what should I add in next? We've got house working again every half minute, sorry. You've got things spawning underneath me.
What does house do?
It spawns a house around me, obviously. Spawning mobs, oh yeah.
I thought it would be teleport you back from me.
No, it spawns a nice little house around me.
That's a good idea.
Look like that. These are some of the house.
Someone say house, I want to see the house. Could you make
Someone say house, so yeah, I did a look, it's a house.
That's it.
Well, yeah, it's made with fill commands.
Okay.
What'd you want from me?
It should have been like 5x5 at least. A
Oh.
villager house. Spawn some villager house.
Villager houses are so hard to summon in.
Well, deal with it.
I did deal with it, I did something else.
You don't need the tappers, do you?
Not really. There's nothing I can do about this one. No, come on, let me... Okay, that TNT is not so... What was that? Is that bucket of axolotl? Oh no, it's a cherry hanging sign. I need a sword. I can't really get out of this. I'm trapped. I can't even kill... Can I place anything? Okay, come on, skeleton horseman, please. Jubus, I'm stuck in cobwebs. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get out. You're overstimulated. So basically, I'm writing the code as people tell... Oh, okay, that was nice. That TNT's good. Wow, okay. Not sure what happened there. I think it... Oh, it will have blown up all the other TNT, won't it? Because there was a bunch of TNT beneath those cobwebs. They are making a Minecraft movie too. It's gonna come out next year, I think. TNC. Oh, so close. Okay, let me get it so it happens with the mobs as well. Minecraft mobs. This shouldn't take too long to add because it's very similar to the first one. Minecraft mobs. The summon. Squiggly 2, squiggly. Am I in cobwebs again? This is crazy. Oh, I need to change this. Okay. Obsidian is definitely in the list, I'm sure. I just don't think you've done it properly yet. Wait, what? I don't want to be doing that. Yeah, the skeleton horses, I think they have like an issue with, I think you've just been unfortunate with saying obsidian with me resetting the code, because I've been adding new things. So, if it's a mob, mob mob. I keep forgetting to tab out properly so you're not just looking at a pause screen. Okay. Hopefully. Okay, I'm resetting the script. Okay, so hopefully now it should work with mobs as well. I think. Fingers crossed. So you should be able to say like fish. Wait, no, fish isn't a mob. Cow. Take speed 24. There you go, you did it. Nice. I'm glad that still works. Okay, what are we adding next? So, Jur, you need to, how this works is you say something you want me to add to chat. For some reason my screen's gone weird, wait a sec. You say something that you want me to put in chat and like a rule. So at the moment the ones we've got are when you say house, it spawns a house. When you say fire isn't a block, Techno, I don't think. Oh, that helped a bit, maybe. No. And then skeleton horses spawn every so often. So if you say an idea for me to program into the thing, so as a response to chat, then I will program it in if it's the best one. Tick speed 500. That will. It needs to be reasonable. Yeah, it's still raining cats. I haven't gotten rid of that cats. Don't worry. We're still doing that. It's just a bunch more. There's box. We don't have boxes at the moment. I think putting boxes would just make people throw me an obsidian a bunch. Be too tough. We've got house, which is that was a bit dodgy for some reason, but I guess.
If we did the box one, if someone did obsidian or bedrock, or no, you can't do bedrock. We could do obsidian, and it gives you a pickaxe that it makes it so you can.
Oh yeah. Well, you managed to get stoned, and I'm surprised. The house, you need to say, there's a cooldown on house. You did spell stone, that was surprising. Well done. I would keep getting trapped in things. They need to spell out blocks to put under me one letter at a time, and that's bad enough. Did what work? Yeah, the global cooldown on house for half a minute because it was being used too often. You're gonna need to spell out the whole of diamond block if you want to do that. Oh, I got some emeralds. Techno, I don't think anyone's gonna actively let you do something. I mean, I could, yeah, no, never mind, I'm not. I like it how it is. You can still try and coordinate with the rest of chat. Charge creeper times 10 sent 20 blocks nearby. How often do you want that to happen? It's funny just people saying random letters in chat. Yo, house is back. I think I'm quite happy with that house, considering it's all just made with fill commands. I've maxed out my membership gifts for this month. Hopefully this will get popular again and someone else can gift memberships. Speaking of, guys, you should join the Discord, then you'll get to know when I'm doing this again, which probably will be tomorrow because I've really enjoyed it. It was either me or Derp that gifted you. Yo, I got a diamond sword, but it got blown up instantly. Oh, right. Yeah, I heard cats. It was more for, I mean, you still managed to make it, which is good. It was more for others, just so they can keep up with what's going on. I kind of did, me having a full inventory automatically just throws everything away. Wait, I need those cat string as a cat memory. Because just when something goes into my inventory, it automatically gets thrown away and then exploded. It's funny because it's very possible for unstackable items to be chosen. You can spawn like cows and things. Ooh, water, nice. Whoa. Nice. Okay, well done. Okay, so anyone got any ideas for what to add in next? Needs to be like a specific idea. 57 tick speed. Why am I timing out? Why do you want me to time out Thomas? Oh, for saying 67. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Giant cat. I think the giant, like, because you can add size as a thing for mobs, but I think it only works for slime. You get a giant slime in though. I know that's not really the idea. I can't make kill commands for too complex things. I'm surprised that house even works. Okay, I'm changing how that works slightly. Where I'm gonna just quickly make a change to it so it's gonna hopefully be less. It might be more of a. Okay. Right, so I think what I'm gonna do for that is it's only gonna count the one letter things, but it's not gonna get rid of it if there's more than one letter. So Miranda has not shown up, no. So as in if people who aren't participating say it, then I'm trying to explain it. I'm sure you'll work it out. So basically I don't get rid of it if it's not a one letter word. So if someone posts lots of letters, it doesn't affect it at all. But you're gonna have to work together again to get it to work. I think that's everything I need to do to change that. Oh, so Grayson, how many letters did you say? I'll just do 50. We time them both out. Who do you want to time out? Don't worry, they shouldn't affect it too much. And if they are, then you gotta. I guess you can't just time people out when they're changing it. Yeah, I'll do 50. So, after this, at the end, so it would be here in this. So if then message queue is more than 50, message queue equals message queue everything from the 50th to the end and onwards. Okay, so this should make it easier. I don't think the code stopped. Let's see which code might have stopped. Oh, there is a code that stopped for some reason. Oh no, it hasn't. Yeah, no, all the codes are still going. Oh wait, I need to do self. Self.message queue and self.message queue. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's go again. So you do need to say it alternately with other people, and it only counts with one letter messages. So if you've got one letter in a message, or if someone posts like hi, then it won't ruin what the people who are trying to get a word in are doing, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? I need to go away from spawning in cats. It isn't very obvious. What's that? I don't want it to rain because I don't like it being raining. It makes it kind of darker. And oh, that was kind of helpful. We can, if you get something better from like if you can get a better idea. Oh, that. Yeah, no, you need to say it alternating people need to say the letters again. If you want something to happen when they say 6, 7, if you have a actually, you know what, why not? Oh, thanks for liking. Right. I'm gonna need to look at how to use threading again. So I'm just getting that to work, and then we can I'll add that one you wanted me to add. Sorry, I mean there's nothing, that's just completely regular. This guy just trying to spoil a bunch of cats. Even though there's already loads of cats. What's going on in the background? I think Kirsty's making food. It's 10 o'clock already. Yeah, okay, Kirsty's making dinner. I'm gonna have my dinner after though. We stop in 20 minutes. Hi, Echo, what's up? I'll probably do this again tomorrow, I think. Yeah, can we get Wax where the copper stairs as the block spawning underneath me? Oh yay, nice, well done. Well, I can't believe you actually managed to do that. What do you think? Will adding 6, 7 get people to spam 6, 7 too much? It's the only if someone gives a idea of something else I can do, can stop with the spelling things ideas though, because it's getting people too confused, I think. Oh, rip. No. Oh. Okay, I will just add that. Okay, so I want to do here, and then defense rain. Oh, that was wrong. 10 rain. So what? No idea what happened there. Is it weather set? Oh, don't worry, Grayson. Echo. So basically, what happens is, oh yeah, it's just weather. Okay. So you guys can suggest like chat triggers that I can put in my code. So for example, at the moment, it's if people say the letters in a row of a block, it spawns a bunch of that block under me, or a mob. You know. So and then basically you put you can give me ideas for things to do. Sleep. I completely forgot how to use threading, so that's send command.
I don't even know what threading is.
Pardon?
Forgot what threading is.
I should do two things at once.
Oh yeah.
I'll do it for 3 seconds. Okay, so now I want to do here if message equals 67. This is the only idea we had, okay? No. Guys, someone get Lucky Cowan.
We're doing Corsa.
Oh yeah. Don't get Lucky Cowan.
Or moving that, possibly.
Okay, so this should get that to happen. I'm gonna do a cooldown on that as well, though. So dot rain. Self.rain time is more than. Should I do 30 seconds for this as well? I don't want people to be encouraged to spam it too much. Is more than 30, then self.rain time equals time dot time Okay. I think that should work. I'll wait to see what people are spelling out. Okay. That is definitely not spelling something out, so I'm gonna restart it. Okay. I'm not sure if the... Oh, tick speed 7, okay. Oh my goodness, I should have known that would happen. That I don't think that's worked, to be honest. Let me see. When was the last time someone said it? Yeah, that has not worked. I forgot that there's a like overhang on this house. Okay, I keep saying, oh, I'm gonna progress a bit, but I just don't. It's quite hard to with all these things, especially the tick speed. I need to make it so the tick speed actually does half higher and half lower. At the moment, there's a just equal chance of being higher or low, like equal chance for each number, and there's obviously between 5 and 20. There's only 15 numbers, and then between 20 and 80 there's 60 numbers. There's a 4 times chance that it'll make it go faster than it'll make it go slower. Oh, yeah, I know what the issue is, okay. The rain thing should work now, I think. The 6-7 rain should work. Pig with speed, you haven't had pig with speed in ages. No, I guess not. Huh. We were supposed to go back to 2016. What happened in 26? What were the memes in 2016? I forgot. This. Okay, let me try this again. Oh, that was the wrong thing. No, that diamond thing just got thrown out. Oh, there we go. Okay, so when someone says it rains for 5 seconds, that's the best you're getting, though. If someone spawns TNT here, it's going to set on fire and explode. There's a cooldown on it, though, Thomas, for 30 seconds. I'll decrease the cooldown, though. Yeah, it's only to say alternatingly, Grayson. If someone says T now, it should... I guess not. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's quite useful. Guys, I might be able to finish it in the end after all. Oh, thanks. Nice. Okay. Can I... Because I... Oh, no, it needs 12, doesn't it? Oh, that's so sad. I needed 2 more. Welcome back, Molly G1C. What should the next rule be? Don't forget you can do mobs and things, so you can theoretically spawn the Ender Dragon. How am I getting frames? This is on a server, so it's got kind of my PC and the server share the processing evenly. Basically, it's a server just for me. Bye, Thomas. Hopefully see you again soon. Okay. I'm gonna have to go soon, I think. 9 more minutes now. No, you just say the name of the mob. Wait, you actually do need to say it alternately, though. I still got it in? Yeah. Yeah, you need to say... If you can successfully alternately spell out Ender Dragon. Okay, bye, Techno. Okay, that's awesome. See you then. No, no, no. What is going on? You got this. Well, you got 2 A's there. This is quite funny to watch. I'm hoping that works. If you get it right and it doesn't work, I'll spawn it in myself. But I'm gonna go into a cave. So I think that the letters thing works well now. You gotta work together, guys. I'll probably put a short together about this, and because I've got it recording, so it should be quite easy. I've got chat recording as well. I'm gonna you might appear in my short as your chat messages. Depending on if you do it successfully, you can get in the short. Guys, everyone like and subscribe. Okay, how about we do Molly on W, Cats on A, Techno on R, Molly on D, Cats on E, and Grayson on N. You think you can sort of do that there? That might help if people listen. And if Grayson's on if Grayson's caught up with the stream. No. You're halfway there. It was Molly on D again, I think. No, so close. Hey, Lord Glitch, what's up? Welcome to the stream. You got so far. No, Molly, you're doing D next. Just why do you take W? Yeah, I do play on PC, Lord. I think it would be quite hard to do this without playing on PC. Like, imagine this on like a Tableau or something. There's too many mobs. Oh, we had it so close. Okay, tick speed 22. That's fairly normal tick speed. Okay, I'll say as you go, who's the next letter? So we've got Molly on W, Cats on A, that's right. Grayson or Techno on R, okay. And then Molly on D. Oh my goodness, okay. You guys can work it out yourself. I think you got this. You spelled cobwebs out before. I really need to make sure this actually works. Is there a warden in here? Yes, there is. You would have had that, I think. That was so close. If the same person says it 2 times in a row, it doesn't add it to the list at all. So if you both spell out warden and wait, I guess, if that makes sense, it doesn't cancel it out. It just stops it adding any. It ignores you after you're the most recent chatter, basically. This is intense. Oh wait, have you got this? Is this right? Techno cats, techno cats, techno cats. Yeah, you did do it. Well done. That's annoying it doesn't work. Okay, there's your warden. I know it doesn't work as well, so I will fix that. That is in show and in here. So summon mob. I thought it was summoning your cats. Yeah, you are going to be in the short. Okay. It's reset now, by the way. Hoping it works again. Or hoping it works properly. Basically, I'd copy-pasted the thing for spawning blocks over. And I forgot to change, it to spawn mobs again. Instead of blocks. Wither, no, don't do... Wither would be just as easy, wouldn't it? You're gonna be famous. I haven't posted short in ages, so it's gonna be... You might be famous for, like, 5 people. What do you mean, where's the Wither? Did you... the Wither's not spawned, is it? No, I reset the code halfway through. Okay. I'll just trust you. Okay, there. Well done. If we try it again, hopefully, it gave me 12 chainmail chest plates. Oh, I got loads of swords as well. There you go. The raining cats and dogs thing just makes it so dumb. Ender Dragon. Oh, good luck with that one. You don't need to put anything for a space, by the way. Wait, just try something shorter. Try pig. I would appreciate it, because then you can check it actually works. You guys are putting lots of trust in my programming abilities. 61. Did that spawn a pig? No, it did not. Hmm. Oh, that would just kill me instantly. Um. Yeah, for some reason it's still not working. What to? Got one less in the word. Oh. Um. Oh, wait, no, that's right. Mob 2 is that. Then execute at everyone. Summon. Let's execute at a run summon here 2. Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay, try pig again. Yes, I did see the new snapshot with baby animals. They're so it looks so silly. And, oh my goodness, that's loud. I got hit by a wither skull to die there. Okay, we've got 5 more minutes left, guys. No. Oh. Why did I get knocked down so quickly there? Please let me get away from this wither. Okay, okay, that's good. This is good. Can you just try pig again? Just to, just check it, see if it works again. Because there's been so many errors, there's been so many issues with it, I wanted it to... I can't bother checking myself if you've spelled Ender Dragon properly. Uh... I can make something happen if you count to 10, that's... You do that right? And, oh my goodness, well done. Still annoying, it's just not working properly. Oh my goodness, I got a bunch of netherite hose. I'll try and see what the issue with that after the stream and get it working for next time. I think that's a good place to end it, I think. Oh, I'm getting quite tired as well. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll do something similar next time as well, because it was quite fun. Spawning a dragon at the start of next... Oh my goodness. There's high-tech speed drive. Go and think of more rules. Yeah, I'll make a short talk. I'm not sure when exactly it'll be out. Maybe tomorrow? I don't know. Bye. Think of more rules while you're gone. We can have better ones next time. I might do something for counting to 10.